so tonight, we're going to make a Snickers Blizzard. You want Snickers? You want Snickers? You want Snickers? I want Snickers. So, Oprah, you get a Snickers Blizzard. You get a Snickers. Okay. Anyways, yeah. So that's what we're making. Okay. All right. So we're going to get handy dandy ninja, and I don't know why I'm showing in my cabinet, but anyways, it really needs to be cleaned. All right, Taylor, get that together for us. Why is it not focused? Focus. There we go. You gotta plug it in. And so, don't mind the dishes. What we're going to do next is got some Snickers right here. So Taylor, wash your hands. And then we're going to put the Snickers in there. What did you do? Oh, okay.
So my mom is helping my brother with his like work or whatever he's doing. And she'll be back once she gets done with that, and then we can put the Snickers in.
Alright, Taylor, so go ahead and put those into the Ninja. We won't have to do all of them. Let's save some. Snickers. All right, focus thing, focus. All right, so let's see how it looks. Take it off, Taylor. Oh yeah. All right, so I think that is good right there. So if Taylor, you can get the bowl out of the refrigerator. So we put this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes so it can melt. I mean, not melt, so the ice cream can stay, you know, cold. All right, so we got our ice cream in. Oh, shoot, I didn't even plug it in. Duh. There we go. I just want it to get creamy. All right, Taylor, get the Snickers. Oh, finger all in the way. What's in there, honey? So it's just going to mix. Alright, so here's a Snickers Blizzard. And they turn upside down. And here we go. I don't want whipped cream and all that stuff on it, but
it's good.
It is good, huh? Tastes like Dairy Queen, huh? Here, what?
My cup.